innovative move, Gujarat's Kaushalya Skill University KSU has launched a comprehensive drone education program to boost employment and harness emerging technologies. This aligns with PM Modi's vision for drone technology and CM Patel's 2022 drone policy to foster the drone sector in Gujarat.
ડ્રોન ક્ષેત્રે ભારત અને ભારતમાં ગુજરાત કેવી રીતે આગળ વધારી શકાય આપણે ડ્રોનનો ઉપયોગ એના માટેની શરૂઆત ગુજરાતે શરૂ કર્યું છે. એના માટેના ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્ટરમાંથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓ તૈયાર થાય અને એ પાયલોટ જે તૈયાર થાય એનો ઉપયોગ કેવી રીતે કરી શકે એની બધી જ તૈયારી ગુજરાત સરકારે કરી દીધી.
The newly established School of Drones at KSU offers diverse courses including drone pilot training, manufacturing and assembling, and data processing and analytics. These programs are crafted to meet the increasing demand for skilled professionals in the drone industry. The director of the university sheds light on the skills students learn here.
नई शिक्षण नीति 2020 जो आई हुई है उसके उद्देश्य के अनुरूप युवाओं को स्किलिंग, रिस्किलिंग और अपस्किलिंग के माध्यम से जो 21वीं सदी की रोजगारी की नई तकें उपलब्ध हो रही है वो उपलब्ध करवाने के मुख्य आशय से कौशल्य स्किल यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना की गई हुई है.
A key feature of the initiative is its affordability, with course fees lower than market rates and special considerations for farmers, making drone education accessible. This student from Goa shares why he was compelled to enroll in the institution.
मेरा दोस्त एक गोवा से है जिसने मुझे इसका रेफरेंस दिया और थोड़ा रिसर्च करने के बाद मुझे पता चला इस इंस्टीट्यूट की थोड़ी खूबियाँ, जैसे ये गवर्नमेंट का एक इंस्टीट्यूट है जहाँ पे ड्रोन पायलट लाइसेंस का जो कोर्स है वो वन ऑफ द चीपेस्ट इन द कंट्री भी है.
The Kaushalya Skill University has established a drone lab offering postgraduate courses in drone manufacturing and programming. Beyond education, KSU promotes campus placements and entrepreneurship through their placement cell and an incubation program in drone applications and design. Drone instructor Hiren Prajapati highlights how students gain employment opportunities through the drone courses.
यहाँ पे जनरली जो भी कंपनीज हैं जिनको ड्रोन पायलट की या फिर ड्रोन टेक्नीशियन की रिक्वायरमेंट है तो यहाँ पे आते हैं, तो हमारा जो प्लेसमेंट सेल है तो वो पूरा अरेंजमेंट करते हैं और अभी तक 3 बार प्लेसमेंट हो चुका है.
This initiative's nationwide impact is already evident, with students from across the country enrolling in KSU for drone training. As the drone sector continues to expand, KSU's innovative approach to skill development is poised to play a crucial role in shaping the future workforce of Gujarat and beyond.